Hey, feds, this actually isn't a question. This was just a statement made by someone that I want to talk about real quickly. They said, I want to make sure I haven't missed anything important in the federal retirement process. That's great, because you don't know what you don't know. And it's not like you've ever done this before, right? This is a really, really complicated thing that suddenly the government says, here, take this complicated thing and make sure you do it right. Well, usually really complicated things take time to learn, time to practice on, time to do over and over again until you get it right. But you've got one shot and they expect you to make sure that this gets done right the first time. Well, it's really easy to make sure, or really easy to miss things. It happens all the time. In fact, if you want the stat, 99 out of 100 times when people turn in a retirement application, there are mistakes on it. Think about that. That's pretty bad. That you can understand that. So I want you to make sure that you get some help. Do not do this alone. Please do not do this alone. Make sure you get the help that you need, because if you don't, you could very well be missing things that you have access to, but that you just don't get because you didn't ask for it. Or you didn't avoid something that you could have avoided, that you wanted to avoid. You just know you didn't know you could, but it's there. The opportunity is there. You want to make sure that you have a nice smooth sail, not only into retirement, but for your whole retirement. So if you would continue to learn, constantly learn, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you get notification on these emails, which will update you constantly, and come to one of our workshops. You need to learn this.